Sometimes it's just difficult getting a workout in as a father. Hi, I'm Derek Alessi, the High Octane Dad, helping to unlock the superhuman potential of every father. And the purpose of this video is to help guys get in better shape, improve their health, improve their energy, and ultimately improve the quality of their life. I'm demonstrating an exercise called the battle rope or the battling ropes. And I mentioned before, it's difficult for guys to get in a workout at times. And the reason why, of course, is because we're busy. There's a lot going on. Maybe you're working more than full-time and the family and social obligations. Where does the workout fit in? Well, it should be part of your life. And if you do make it part of your life, I can promise that it will improve the quality and your health and your energy. But at the same time, how do we make it efficient? So I'm showing an exercise right now, the battle rope, and you could do a lot of different exercises with the battle rope. But what I love about it is if you have a home gym at home, it doesn't take up much room, it doesn't cost much money, and you can get a full body workout. Now, by no means am I saying that a battle rope is great for every occasion and it's the same as working out in a big fitness facility or working with a personal trainer. It's not that at all. But if you do want to pump the blood a little bit, get the muscles going and burn some calories and fat and improve your oxygenation and your energy, it's a great place to start. Now I want to show you that sometimes it doesn't always work perfectly. No, I don't just mean your workout, I also mean filming this exercise doesn't always work perfectly. Let me show you what happened when my camera guy and I were trying to get the perfect angle in putting this all together. Now, mind you, I do want to tell you ahead of time, the cameraman, he's perfectly fine. He's okay, but this whole thing did get his attention.
Oh, fuck me. Got me right in the lip.
Yeah, ouch. He kind of took that one right in the mouth. I tried to warn him that sometimes it's very difficult to control those ropes, and when they come down with a lot of force. This also reminds me to tell you that if you do have some small kids at home, don't have them crawling around while you're trying to do the battle rope. The ropes are heavy, they're coming down with a lot of momentum, and somebody could really get hurt. Also too, when it comes to anchoring, make sure that it's anchored nice and solid. Wrap it around something thick, put it around a hook that's properly secure. Make sure that it doesn't whip away and hurt somebody, and if you do that, you'll be safer. When it comes to these ropes, they usually come in 3 different diameters. 1 inch, 1.5 inch, and 2 inches. I do prefer the 2 inches, especially for men. It works more of your grip strength, which is super important for so many things, inside the gym and out. In fact, if you just want to do yard work, work a rake or shovel some snow, you need to have some grip strength. And then it comes in terms of different feet or how long the rope is. 30 feet is usually the shortest rope, and then they go on from there. 40, 50, I've even seen a 60-foot rope, and the longer the rope, the heavier it is. Make sure when you have the rope, you do secure it. It can move. Some of those pegs that you just push into the ground or just latch around sometimes aren't the best. I like to attach it to something extremely heavy that's not going to move. Now the battle rope can be done in so many different ways. You could do a single arm, double arm, a snake movement, shoulder circles in, shoulder circles out, working the deltoids, getting the separation between the shoulder and the bicep. You can do a little bit of a cardio exercise or a HIIT workout and do some jumping jacks, some Russian twist slams for the abs and the obliques, the sides of the body, and also too, you can do some side lunges, slams, and more. There's literally unlimited amount of exercise and movement patterns you could do with the rope. I think the key thing is to make sure that you're doing it long enough. I would do things in general over 30 seconds. If you want to push it a little bit more, go up to 60 seconds. And if you really want to burn and work yourself hard, up to 90 seconds. It can work so many muscles at one time. I mentioned the shoulders and arms, but it's also working your back. It's working your chest. It's working your abs. It's working your low back. It's working your stabilizer muscles. It's working your grip strength. It's working your legs. It's working your calves and balance. You're pretty much working almost every muscle tissue when you use the battle ropes. Now, I do recommend the battle ropes, even if you are going to a gymnasium or you have a full setup, but you don't have these ropes, pick some up. Or better yet, maybe your birthday's coming up or Father's Day or a holiday and you could get it as a gift. They're relatively inexpensive. They don't take up much space and it's a great way to get a workout in. Also too, regarding timing, I would recommend a couple different times. If you could do it early in the morning, fasted, before any food, you could burn a lot of calories and use more fat during the workout. But if you wake up everybody in the house, it's not going to do you any good. So don't wake up people in the house. If you can't do it then, do it after dinner. Another great time. After dinner, if you work out, it could help take some of the sugar out of the liver, which is really powerful because then when you sleep, you're going to burn more fat. Your blood sugar level and your insulin should be a little bit lower. You wouldn't want to eat though afterwards. So right after dinner, do the battling rope then. It's a great way to, once again, work a lot of the muscle tissue in the body. My whole goal behind the High Octane Dad is to help other busy fathers improve the quality of your life, improving it through fitness, through food, through family. Ultimately, you got to be around. Your health is important. And when it all comes together, the goal is that you have more energy, you're more present, you're more available, and you're willing to do things to improve the quality of your life for yourself and your family. So hopefully today this video served you. I'm Derek Alessi, the High Octane Dad, helping to improve and unlock the superhuman potential inside every father.